Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SealWifHat token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting today, March 25th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol is SI. Now this token can be found on SolScan. It's on the Solana blockchain. You can find the chart on CoinGecko. You can also find it on DEX Tools and on DEX Screener as well. So you can just punch in SealWifHat or ticker symbol SI, or punch in the contract, or like copy paste the contract address into DEX Tools or DEX Screener or CoinGecko, and then it'll pop up. So their market cap right now is $6.99 million, doing very well. It says 127,000 holders, a lot of holders, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 25th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their SolScan right here actually is a different amount here. They say they have 128,362 holders. That's a lot of holders. 9 decimal places on this token. And current supply, 999,790,205 tokens. So their Telegram you can follow at SICoinSOL, 2,090 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding the project here, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right on the screen right here, at SICoinSOL24. It says SI, pronounced as C, is the first seal pup coin. Ticker symbol SI, the Ocean Whiff. So it's the Ocean Whiff. This is the community of C official at SI Coin Soul. Then it has a link to their webpage right there, SealWifHat.org, 10,100 Twitter followers. And in their most recent tweets, you can see they're talking about their MEXC global listing. They just finished a Kickstarter event where they had a $50,000 reward pool. So that is over, and now they are being listed on MEXC. So big project here, a lot of holders. If you go to their webpage, they have a paper. It's called the C paper, SI paper. So the Solanaverse, the C paper, SealWifHat crypto project white paper. And this was last updated here January 16th, 2024. 123 Crypto Street, Solana City in the meme district. find the verse that suits your crypto journey. Grab a C token as your companion. Who is C? And then it has before and after, so it shows the seal pup, and then it shows the seal pup with a hat. Mind-blowing. So C is not merely just a token, it's an acronym for SealWifHat. This cheerful seal pup adorned with the distinctive hat makes a splash in the frosty environs of the Arctic. This token will be the first seal pup token in the vast crypto world. Known for their endearing faces and sparkling eyes, seal pups are widely regarded as delightful coastal creatures that effortlessly capture hearts. C carries the same allure into the Solana meme coin universe, aiming to thaw the ice with its popularity and to integrate diverse elements of the crypto world. With the launch of C, this little mascot is poised to become the face of a new wave of meme coins, epitomizing the spirit of diversity and innovation. C's mission is to meld the innate charm of seal pups with the formidable potential of blockchain technology, creating a singular and welcoming gateway for both enthusiasts and investors. C is a token of fun together with a token of purpose. 10% of the token will be reserved for community development and marine life protection, and heavy community involvement and establishment of the decentralized autonomous organization. So the C token signifies a transformative step into the meme coin sector, challenging the prevalent misconceptions of such assets as lacking intrinsic worth. Mirroring BONK, C underscores the potential for meme coins to act as a captivating, engaging conduit, drawing in an extensive audience of the cryptocurrency market and enhancing demand across various sectors. C's ambitions transcend the conventional scope of meme coins, striving to serve as an impetus for drawing a wide range of ensemble of supporters, institutions, and aficionados to the designated Solana and broader crypto ecosystem, thereby catalyzing growth and on-chain activity. The envisioned impacts are manifold, encompassing an improved social responsibility perception and expansion of the meme coin community, an increase in unique active wallets, inviting new Solana ecosystem users, a surge in the usage of ecosystem-specific tools and decentralized exchanges, a proliferation in downloads for ecosystem-specific non-custodial wallets, a favorable influence in the ecosystem's flagship token price by engaging a larger cohort. C is determined to raise awareness and comprehension of the Solana ecosystem, fostering an educational milieu that is both entertaining and enlightening, ultimately aiding to the broader application of the crypto realm. So they have community empowerment, fiscal decisions, management of community reserves, voting on major actions, and future development and utility expansion. So this token you can find listed today on MEXC Global. They have a lot of holders, very well established project. They've been seen on Morningstar, Fox 40, Yahoo Finance, etc. You can find a contact email, all sorts of links and socials, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, Bird Eye Chart, Reddit, SealWifHat.org. Check out the socials. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.